Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video we will take a look at the latest software update for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. Now looking down at the information, this one is giving us the September 1st security patch. It is a large update at 894 megabytes. The version ends with 4AY, which that number 4 right there lets me know that there is new features with this update. Now some of them are listed here, and how you can tell that you're getting newer features is when this number changes. That's when you get the new features. So you can see it ends with the 4AY. Take a look at our last update, which was August 25th. Our version ended with the 3AY, and then it goes H1. So going from that 3 to the 4 lets us know that we have brand new features. Now, up over here, what it states is that you can check the stock prices without unlocking stocks you follow on Google Finance, with big price changes will appear on your now bar at the end of the trading day. You can also do more in decks. So on connected displays, you can now add widgets to your home screen when using decks on a connected display, as well as control settings for the mouse and on-screen keyboard. Also, an update for your security of this device has been updated. So what we'll do here is we will go through, we will resume this update, and what we'll do after this is finished is we'll take a look at a few applications and services. We'll take a look at, the now brief and some of the information. Also, what all you can add in on this one. So there is content that you can include. Sometimes you'd be able to include your YouTube. It just kind of depends on the update. And we'll also take a look at the Google Play System services, because I believe right now we are still on May 1st for the Google Play System services. So we'll see if there's a newer version there. Now, so normally at this point in the video, I like to state, if you're brand new here at the channel, Jimmy is Promo, you appreciate these tips, tricks, tutorials, and the latest information on your Samsung Galaxy devices, make sure to hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications so you get notified for all future videos. This update is ready to install. It's already been downloaded, but before we do that, I just want to show you that on that August 1st security patch, our Google Play System update was still stuck on May 1st, which is super old. So hopefully when this one is restarted and turned back on, hopefully we'll be able to see a newer version of the Google Play System update. And again, take a look at a few applications and services. Now that the update is done and complete, let's take a look first at the Google Play System update. And you can also see here, now that we are on the September 1st security patch, you can see that we finally got the newer version of the Google Play System update. So we went from that May version that we had right over into July, which is still pretty new, but I'm going to take a look, see if there is another one anyways. Let's see, restart now. Let's see if there's a newer version. Sometimes you just have little updates like this, because the Google Play System update updates sometimes like once a week, sometimes every 2 weeks. So there's just newer features slowly just kind of added in through that whole month. That's why sometimes you might update your Google Play System update a couple times a month, because they do that not just once a month, but a couple times a month. Now, after doing all of that, you can see that we are now on August 1st for the Google Play System update. So we have the latest version. So we went all the way from May to August with just this update here for the Google Play System update. Now let's take a look at a few applications and services. We can first take a look at our Samsung One UI Home. Now before this update, this one was sitting at 17.0013. This is 17.0.0517. So we have the newer version of Samsung One UI Home. We'll also take a look at camera, see if there's a newer version here. So before the update, we were sitting at 16.0.0070. This one's 16.0.0213, so we have a newer version of the camera as well. So if you had any type of issues there is a newer version. Now we'll take a look at the lock screen. So for this one, we head right over inside of the settings, scrolling on down, a lock screen always on display. And before the update, this one was sitting at 8.9034. This is 8.9.0514. So we have a newer version of One UI, the lock screen. And now to take a look at the newer version of the now bar, now brief, all that stuff. It's all done from the Personal Data Intelligence. So this is the application that runs all of that stuff. And before the update, we were sitting at 710077. This is now 710122. So this is where you have that newer version of your now bar and the now brief. So scrolling on down, this is where I was able to toggle on YouTube. So with this update, we were able to get everything brand new, the Google Play System update, a new Samsung One UI Home, a new camera, the lock screen, and also the stuff that runs with the Now Brief and the Now Bar. And then for everything on the back end of this update, so the Samsung Mobile Security page, this is everything for September, which I've already covered a few times. All of this stuff appears from Google, This is double the size that normally is being fixed. So for all the vulnerabilities and exposures, there's 58 that is high, there's 2 that is critical, 10 of them are not applicable to Samsung phones. And then down over here from Samsung, again, this is double the size as normal. There's been 25 Samsung vulnerabilities and exposures that was fixed with this one. So normally that's right around like 12 or 13. So we've covered all of this stuff. This is just everything on the whole back end. And that's how we knew that there was a lot of updates with this one. And then that's also why it's very large. But yeah, every single thing that we have looked at today has a brand new update and a newer version. So this update here for the Galaxy Z Fold7 is large. Everything for September is also large. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.